Gold and silver have started the week on a flat note here. Now, what to expect? Can we expect a recovery after a little drop in the last trading session last week, or there is a continuation of the bearish momentum which we had seen in the last trading session? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. And not to forget, today we have Chairman Powell's speech from US, and that will also bring lot much of volatility into the metals prices. So be watchful of that. Now let's start with that. On the hourly charts, you can see first a drop here, then a consolidation, then another round of drop retracement. Now see what it is delivering is consolidation here. Thus, it is very important for gold to now stay below 2644. 46 zone. Once it stays below this, you can say more bearishness will prevail. What has happened here? Retracement towards 2666, then a sharp drop has appeared, and now it is just trying to stay in a zone. Now only buying entry appears to be above 2664 66 zone. See what it can try to deliver is this, where it can stay in the retracement zone, consolidate here till 2670, and then again continue with the downtrend. This possibility you cannot ignore. Moving averages on the hourly charts have crossed over. This is a slight bearish sign. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD almost flat and at bottom here, and the RSI is also running flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, after the drop, it is just staying in the zone. Though there is a reversal sign, but the current candle is not willing to drop more, and thus if you see the price is staying below 26. See, though you can sell here at 2648 itself, but again you have to wait for 4244 to be taken, and then below that we can see stronger bearish momentum continuing here once it comes out of this box here. So this is something you should watch out for. Moving averages after long is starting to converge, though not yet crossed over, but conversion itself, it's a bearish sign. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD trading bearish looking downwards, RSI almost staying flat. On the 3 hour charts, if you see similar observation, nothing different. Drop, then retracement, then drop. Now it is trying to stay in the box. Let it come out of this. Very important for it to breach this zone here at 26 66 68, and once it breaches this, then 74 76. If these two levels are taken, then we can treat this for a reversal here. Right now it is not yet, I will say, on the daily charts also, it is not yet confirming to be breaking on the downside, and on the upside definitely there are greater resistance which we have seen here. So be watchful at the current levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish looking downwards here. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4, see the observation here is same. Look at this formation here, higher lows, higher highs, and thus it is very important for it to drop below 2644 42, and on the upside 24 26 66 68. As long as it stays in this zone, we have to be careful, and in fact if it breaches this, 26 74 76 is going to remain the most critical one. Only about 26 74 76 we can expect that the gold is going to hit the highs, while as long as it stays below 74 76, you can say that it is consolidating and may take a downtrend again, or may continue with the bearish momentum again. Moving averages showing slight signs of conversion here. Stochastic has retraced, while MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. And if you look at the RSI, this has dropped. Coming to daily. Now, if you look at daily chart, see the day started on a slight bullish note. And look at this. First of all, this 2658 54 zone, as I have mentioned several times, is definitely critical resistance zone. In fact, this has breached this, but failing to stay lower, we have seen it recovering. Now, it is very important for prices to breach 2644 46. That will confirm its move towards 2638, and then in fact we can look forward to 2630 32 zone as the next targets. Now note one point, that prices are trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. This calls for it to converge, and this is historically been a trend that whenever the prices diverge from the 20 period, it also tries to converge. Second thing is, look at the channel here. Gold is respecting this channel since long now, and the lows of the channel are towards 2600 2380 zone. So possibility exists that in the near future we may see prices trending towards this zone. So this is something you should watch out for, and thus if you look at the stochastic, this is dropping here. The MACD is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over RSI, just coming out of overbought zone or trying to come out of the overbought zone. Before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 2658, but then you have to be cautious for 2664, 66 and 68. So this zone between 2664 to 68 you should be cautious of. As long as it stays below 2664, 68, the bullish momentum may not be seen, and as long as 2674, 76 is not, you can say that see, this is just a retracement and the crash is going to be further hard and sharp. So till 2674, 76 for today and for this week, you should not be treating gold as bullish here. That is one thing which is should be very clear. Prices may reverse from this zone again. Second thing, where to sell today, I will recommend you to sell here at 2648. Expect it to keep moving towards 2644, 42. Rather, yes, 2648 should be a safer entry, but then 2642, 44 you should watch out for. 2637, 38 you should watch out for, and then we can look forward to 2630, 32, and then 2624, 25. Very good support exists till towards 2624, 25. Below that, 2613, 2600, 2590, 2580 are the next target. If not today, some point of time in this week soon. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. The formation in silver is simple: drop, retracement. See, the move here is bigger and the bearishness has increased, then the retracement, then see, now here you can see the diminishing bearishness, and now price is trying to retrace. Second thing is the resistance at 3180, 85 is very strong. If you see the price is staying above 3180, 85, then only I will recommend you to buy here. Else what is happening, you can see connect the peaks and connect the troughs here. So yes, when you see on the downside, supports are very much intact, and even if it tries to rise, there are going to remain greater resistances till towards 3220, 3230 zone. So as long as silver stays between this zone, we should not be treating this as bearish, as bullish, as this is trading in this bearish channel here and hitting the zone on the upside. Possibly it could reverse as well. On the if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over. This is a slight bearish sign on the hourly charts. RSI has dropped, trying to bounce back. MACD has seen triple bottom, now trying to cross over for a buy. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts here, drop retracement, and now trying to bounce back here. We have to be careful. As long as 3180 is not taken, we should not be initiating any buy position here. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. And likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, one thing is also clear, that bearishness getting diminished is what you can see. Also on the downside, you can see a very good support coming in. Look at the tails here. For the day, 3120, 3115 zone should be a very good support here. And once it breaches this zone, you can say we are looking forward to 2980, 75 as well. Possibility exists. The stochastic rising, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI flat. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. Trading in the bearish channel, only bullishness is above 32 and 3220 zone. Stochastic is rising here as well, while the MACD is trading with bearishness and RSI flat. Coming to daily, likewise on the daily chart, see, lower lows are done. It can still reverse. We should not be treating this as bearish as of now. As long as, see, this is the support zone here at 31 and 3080, and as long as these levels are respected, we should not be treating this as bearish. We have to be watchful, careful, alert. Right now the lows are beautifully aligned. It can in fact try to hit the highs here as well. Possibility exists strong. So if you see silver is staying above 3180, 85, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 32, 3220 levels as the next target. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for sell, and RSI has dropped. Looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy at 3180, 85, where 32, 3220 is going to be the prime resistance zone, and beyond this we can look forward to 3250 and 3280 levels as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3140 only, below which you can expect 3120, 25, or rather I will say 3115, 25, and then $31 levels should be the next targets. Below this, 3080 3050 should get achieved. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That will give you a fair bit of clarity on how to trade with the Chairman Powell's speech and with the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.